Hello, my name is Irving Crespo and I'm a software developer focused on full stack development. My journey in the tech industry started like 6 years ago, so I have been working as a software developer since then. I have participated on various projects from small scale applications to large scale solutions, and my main area of expertise is backend development. So I have experience with different languages and technologies such as Node.js, JavaScript, Typescript, Python, Django, and some others. I have also participated in front-end development, so I have also experience with React.js and Angular.js. Throughout my career as a software developer, I have also gained experience with AWS services like EC2, S3, Lambda, RDS, Route 53, and so many others. About databases, I have also worked with some of them, NoSQL and SQL, like MySQL, MariaDB, MongoDB, Postgres, Redis, and that's it. That's my experience, and I hope you liked it, and see you around. Thank you for your time.